Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very beautiful flip card for the Father's Day. So you can just open the ribbon like this, and inside this shirt I have written the sentiment Happy Father's Day. And I have added some handmade embellishments, and when you will open the card you will get some more embellishments and the space to write any extra message, or you can also add the photographs. Isn't it a nice and very easy idea? So let's get started. For this we need paper cutter, ruler, black marker, pencil, liquid glue, colored sketch pens, any satin ribbon, scissor, pattern paper, craft paper and light brown color sheet. First I am taking this light brown color sheet which measures 24 by 12 centimeters. I am just folding this in half. Now I have created one frame by leaving 2 centimeters gap from each side. Now I will just cut this frame using my paper cutter. Like this. Now I am taking one more 24 by 12 centimeter light brown sheet, folding this in half again. Fold the upper flap in half like this. Now just rotate this other card, tuck it inside the frame card, and you just need to find out the center. So I will mark on 6 centimeters and I will create one line on this back side card and also trace this left side frame. Like this. Now you just need to cut this frame . Like this. Now fold this upper flap . Now take both the cards and we will connect both the cards with each other. So you just need to line up both the cards like this. So it will look like this and it will work like this. Now just add glue and connect both the cards with each other. Now I am just taking some pattern papers and decorating the card. Also I am connecting the satin ribbon so that we can close the card. this is done. Now I'm just creating some Father's Day special embellishments using my black marker, and later I will color these embellishments using some colored sketch pens. So here I am creating the Superman sign, bow, cup, pair of glasses and hat. So you can create any kind of embellishment of your choice. So the coloring is done. Now I will fussy cut each embellishment one by one. So this is done. I have also created these moustache using black color paper. Now I will decorate the card by adding these embellishments one by one. So this is done. Now I'm taking this craft paper which measures 14 by 9.5 centimeters, and here I'm just creating the shirt. So just follow the instructions, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in comment section. So shirt is ready. Now take back your card, and I will first connect one piece of white color sheet with the shirt. So the size of sheet should be equal as the size of shirt. So I'm just connecting this sheet on back side of shirt so that we can easily open the shirt as a flap. Now I'm adding one yellow color paper tie. And now we can connect the shirt like this. So I'm just adding glue in the bottom so that we can easily open the flap. Also, I'm decorating it with some paper flowers. So this is done. I have also written Happy Father's Day inside this. So the beautiful and very cute swing card or flip flap card for the Father's Day is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.